Hello guys, welcome back to Sizzles Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this flavorful 3-bean curried salad recipe. Curried 3-bean salad is a classic amongst most Southern African weddings, including Namibia. It can be served as a meal on its own or a side dish. One does not need to be a pro to know how to make curried 3-bean salad. The ingredients are quite economical because you find them in your fridge and pantry. The main ingredient is 3 beans in a can, either in brine or tomato sauce if you prefer. You can also use baked beans in brine or tomato sauce. Whichever one you prefer, it can do the job. So guys, raise up your hand if you think that beans in a can are not one of the most flavorful things to eat unless you develop flavor into them. And once you develop that flavor, you will be licking your fingers because it's simply so delicious. So you would want to cook this over a very low to medium flame, and be sure to keep stirring, and also just be mindful not to overcook the vegetables because you want to keep that crunch in it because the beans are already a bit mushy and like overcooked, so you still want to maintain that crunch in the vegetables. So go ahead and add in an addition of spices, and we are going to start off with kapana spice. So guys, kapana spice is a classic spice in Namibia. I would compare it to how Nigerians take their suya spice so serious. Kapana spice, guys, is just the bomb. It's just it. It's just nothing tops kapana spice. It's just it. So guys, allow me to say something real quick. So if you are new in the house and this is your first time coming across my channel amongst millions and millions of channels out there, thank you so much. I honestly appreciate it for you coming over here. And to my current subscribers, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Every day I go in the comment section and I read your comments. I get new ideas. I get new creative ways to change and boost up my cooking. So keep doing what you are doing. I honestly appreciate it, and that is what I want. Us to be engaging, us to be besties. Thank you so much, everyone, and I honestly appreciate it. I cannot begin to explain to you guys how thankful I am. That can only be the miracle works of God, and thank you a million times. So before I just start talking a lot of things, let's head over to the recipe. So this over here is instant powdered soup, and it's the Mindstone flavor. And what I did earlier on is I just thickened it up with into a paste, and then I added hot water over it, but not too much, just enough so it thickens up. And this is the correct way to mix packet soup. So you continue stirring until you come to a point where you just add a little bit, about a quarter of a tablespoon of granulated sugar, just to balance out the flavor, because you know when you are making curry it should have that tanginess and that sweetness to it. So yeah, that's what we're doing right here. So it's time for the beans, the 3-bean mix in Braai for salads. This is my all-time favorite brand. So just take in mind, guys, all the ingredients that I'm showcasing on the screen are actually not a paid promotion. I bought all of these with my own resources, so I just wanted to show you guys over on the screen for you to see the type of ingredients that I'm using. I usually do this for the main ingredients that I know are essential to the part of a dish. So that is just it, guys, and we continue to stir just a little bit. Be sure not to be too aggressive, guys, because the beans are already pre-cooked, so you just want to heat them up. And look at that. This meal will complement most dishes very well. It is best served with toast with avocados on top, or with rice or macaroni. So you have it. Thank you so much for joining me, and bye, besties.